Good morning, guys! Today is December 21, 2024, and it's
December 21?
31 OA. And it's 9:48 a.m. So me and your auntie is going to the market. This is your auntie. This is all you've got, your manong. Wala na yung choice. And we're going to the market to buy some beef, some pork, and I don't know. We're going to film later when we get home. Uy! Kaya ko rin, no?
Naging nurse ko bigla.
Kaya nga. Hindi ako nurse. May sugat ba to? Sugat yan?
Magkano?
800.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos tuturukan ka pa ng anti-tetano. Sakit ba? Masakit? Sabihin mo kung masakit ah. Sakit?
Okay lang. Sabihin mo kasi.
Sabihin mo lang kung masakit para alam ko.
Angas nito, natanggalin naman.
O, di ganyan na lang, Garod. Huwag na natin ibalik yung naman mo.
Let's go.
Yan na yung
Pili ka din. Maganda.
Bakit yung iba? Bibili tayo ng ganito, pero gagayahin niya itong batang to. Hindi, nakakasunod.
So, 3-star. Yung mga...
Magkano yan? Magkano yung ganyan? 50?
Hi! Hello, kids. So, it's New Year. It's almost New Year. How do I feel without you? If you ever go, how could I ever surrender? Hello, kids. So this guy is drunk. Ang pangalan ng guy na ito ay Rayson. Hindi nyo alam kung siya ang magiging dad nyo or what, pero as of now,
Sabi nung nasa kapitbahay niyo.
super bored mga dogs. Mga dogs. Oh, diba? Oh, diba?